Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.